Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You should already be signed into the Outlook account you use for work or school. First, open Outlook Desktop or Outlook on the web and make sure the navigation pane is visible. This gives you access to Mail, People, and Groups. Once done, click People or expand the Groups section in the left pane. Use the search box at the top, type a group name or email alias to start narrowing results immediately. This gets you into the interface where groups appear. With the basic view open, refine results by typing exact names, partial matches, or member identifiers. For example, search a colleague's email to find groups they belong to. Make sure you know whether you're looking for an Office 365 group, a distribution list, or a Teams connected group. They behave differently. Once a candidate appears, open its group card to inspect owners, members, and available resources like Mailbox, Calendar, and shared files. If it's private, you will see a Join or Request option. After you locate the correct group, choose Join, Follow, or Subscribe based on group settings so messages show in your inbox. Pin important groups to the left pane or add them to favorites for faster access. Open the group Mailbox to read conversations, check its calendar, and open linked files in SharePoint. If a group doesn't appear, make sure you're in the right account, clear the app cache or browser cookies, and if needed, contact your IT admin to confirm membership or visibility permissions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.